would recommend this car to everybody out there, everybody who's here in the audience right now?
I think from the looks of it, the Phantom one is much better than the normal one. Although again, I would say to be fair with it, the base variant is also full of options from the design language, from the option that it offers, the screen size, the dash features. But this is something which stands out from the others.
All right, thank you so much for that. Thank you. A round of applause for Mr. Sunil Munch, please, for letting us know exactly how wonderful these two cars are. In both these cars, it's going to be very interesting.
So, I think there are two variants right now.
So now we're going to meet here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have two fabulous models right here, and now I would like to invite on stage the expert himself to tell us about the G6 Phantom Black and how it is different compared to the other G6. Please welcome on stage.
Now the fully accessories version of G4 J6 Phantom Black. Witness this on this car, the beauty of this car. Equally good as the and a lifestyle-focused driving experience. It is from classic, not only the classic, beyond classic, you can say. The Group J6 features 1.2 square meter panoramic sunroof, a side-opening trunk, and trendy backpack, making it truly beyond classic. The Jeeco J6 is bold, versatile, perfect for both urban roads and rugged terrains. It features ventilated, massaging seat, lumbar, thigh sport, and large display screen. With 36 intelligently placed storage compartment and 400-liter boot space, expandable to 1,238 liter, and electrically controlled glove box, the Jeeco J6 ensures convenience all your journey. The Jeeco J6 delivers on a performance with an intelligent electric all-wheel drive and boosting fuel motor that accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 6.5 seconds. Built with an aluminium body, the Jeeco J6 is tested to resist national corrosions for up to 30 years. Ready for the outdoor. The Jeeco J6 sporting camping mode and offer accessories like roof tent, side ladder, and virtual external discharge for your next adventure in the life. The story is not ended. We basically every purchase of Omoda E5 and Jeeco J6 includes a 8-year or 1,060 kilometers battery warranty. We care our customer. As I said earlier, we are not here to manufacture the product. We are basically offering the high service. Therefore, we are committed to provide excellent sales and after-sales service in all major cities of Pakistan through an authorized dealership network. We will be present in all major cities of Pakistan to serve these Omoda and Jeeco cars, inshallah. Let us take the moment to enjoy the official Omoda and Jeeco television commercial. Please bear with me for a minute. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now basically I would like to have the witness with your own eyes how the beautiful is Omoda and how the beautiful is J6. May I have the we have the roadmap.
drive, it just feels like future.
Alright, so what stood out the most for you?
So the best part is इसकी drive बहुत ज़्यादा smooth है और गाड़ी में कोई आवाज़ नहीं, कोई शोर नहीं, कोई चिक चिक नहीं, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी ड्राइव करती है, ऐसा लगता है गाड़ी आपको समझ रही है.
Fantastic, so I'm guessing you're going to take it for another spin?
Yes, I cannot wait. Thank you.
Thank you so much. A round of applause for Live, everybody. Alright, now let's capture this historic moment together. May I now request our honorable guests, Mr. Mia Muhammad Mansha, Mr. Hassan Mansha, Mr. Chi, Mr. Eric, Mr. Abdik, and Mr. Afzal to step on stage for a fabulous photo with the Omoda and Sheikhu lineup. A moment that marks a significant chapter in Nishad and Next Gen Autos journey.
Good evening and welcome to all distinguished guests, esteemed business partners and media colleagues. It is truly an honor for me to host you today. I would like to welcome Mr. Chi, President, Cherry International South Asia Pacific, and Yamada Achuchi-san and Mr. Chu-san from Sojis Corporation. We also would like to acknowledge the hard work and presence of Mr. Eric and entire OJ management team. This is a time I also would like to thank the local management and my colleagues for their great support and giving me a confidence to stand here. Thank you very much. Sir, special thanks to Honorable Mr. Mia Muhammad Mansha, Chairman of Nishad Group, and Honorable Hassan Mansha Saab, CEO of Next Gen Auto, for making these dreams come true. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Afzal, representing Nishad Group, one of the biggest business conglomerate of Pakistan, joint hands with Cherry International, the #1 in China's export sale, and now we are bringing Omoda and Giko in Pakistan. When we are talking about Omoda and Giko in Pakistan, our philosophy is based on the consumer mindset that leads to our message. What is the message? The message is clear. The new chapter begins. When we are talking about the new chapter begins, and EV is coming in our mind, and EV is not just a product, but a part of our DNA. Created a safeguard our environment and the future generation. We are not here to sell vehicles, but to build a relationship that will evolve. The launch of Omoda E5 and Giko J6 in Pakistan is a bold step towards a promising future. Omoda, may I basically give you the philosophy and concept of Omoda. Omoda stands for the oxygen and Moda stands for the modern. So Omoda is basically oxygen and the modern is a collaboration of the both words. It is a perfect blend of futuristic fashion, electric innovation and lifestyle integration. The Omoda E5 offers an exceptional range of 430 kilometers under the WLPT standard and 505 kilometers, giving you the range according to the NEDC standard. This is called as the best in its class. The Omoda E5 delivers a 94% electric drive efficiency and boosts a class-leading and resistance coefficient of 0.285, ensuring a maximum performance and aerodynamic, then again best in its class. Not basically concluding here, another standout feature is the cabin silence. We always would like to have cabin silence. Therefore, even at a high speed of 100 km/h, the interior noise level is just 62.9 decibel, again best in its class. The Omoda E5 features a modern interior equipped with a dual 12.3 cockpit, style infotainment system, ambient lighting and 8 sonic speakers to match your lifestyle. With its aerodynamic design, extended tailgate spoiler and sharp edges, the Omoda E5 exterior is really futuristic. The Omoda E5 comes equipped with a comprehensive ADAS system that includes adaptive cruise control, around view monitor, blind spot detection and many more. What a customer wants in this country, we have in this car. Let us now take a closer look at the Omoda E5 and witness how safe he is and how secure our customer is. Thank you very much. Now I would like to basically introduce another brand, that is اینڈجیکو. Now basically what is the philosophy of that brand?
Now, let's hear from someone who understands exactly what this launch means for Pakistan. And to speak about that, I now invite Mr. Muhammad Afzal, commercial lead at Next Gen Auto, to please come on stage. Thank you.
किस रिसेप्शन पे खड़ा है? एक सेकंड
I want to welcome all the guests, especially our guests from China, who have come here. I'm a great believer in electric cars. Before I start with anything else, I've been driving an electric car for more than a year now, and it has immense possibilities. In more than 1 year that I've been driving, my car has never been for servicing. कोई तेल चेंज करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. Servicing almost there are no moving parts. I have driven one of these cars for 2 days, and their finish is excellent. They're as good as my Mercedes I have in my garage. So I think it's a very good idea that we got and selected this Chinese company to come and do the joint venture with us. Not many people know that our joint venture partners export more cars than BYD and make more cars than them under 12 brands in China. This is a journey which has taken them not many years. I'm a great enthusiast about Japanese and Chinese technologies, where they have in 30 years what China has done, never in the history of humanity so much progress has been made, and in every walk of life. So we hope that this will bring benefits to the consumers, our clients. Our earlier joint venture with Hyundai that is running has also made a substantial progress, and the numbers are coming good. We will benefit from this joint venture because I am by training an accountant, and I feel with our factory running almost 2 shifts or 1.5 shifts, we have produced and sold more than 50,000 Hyundai cars. So with this addition, our factory will run almost 3 shifts full, which will give us an advantage in cost and all that. For this venture, our group has a commitment to invest up to 20 million rupees that we will be doing with the new factory assembly lines and all the things. And we are also very happy to be in this feedback in Faisalabad, where we have 2 other projects. It gives us the economies of scale, and also we have invested a lot of money in solar, so that we can have uninterrupted electricity. We also wish to thank the government of Pakistan for encouraging electric cars. It's a step in the right direction because not only would it save petroleum products that we import, but also it's great for environment. We have a serious pollution problem, as you know all. So this will also mitigate part of the pollution problems of Pakistan. In the end, I'd like to again reiterate that this will be, as this project has my full support. Our group employs over 75,000 people in various industries. So, our employees are also our natural customers, and we hope to provide special leasing financing facilities from our bank also, which will be the added support. And this will, inshallah, I want to also mention here a lot of work that has been done by Mr. Salman Shah in this. He's always a great enthusiastic person for cars. So hopefully it will inspire confidence in the entire group. So let's, Pakistan, Hyderabad, thank you for listening to me, and inshallah this project will also be very successful like the other projects that we have done. Thank you.
And Mr. and Mrs. Razaman Shah. We also would like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed Chinese delegation, our valued global partners behind Omoda and Sheikhu, Mr. Shi. Now, I would like to welcome someone on stage whose leadership continues to shape Pakistan's business landscape. It is now my honor to invite the founder of Nishad Group, Mr. Mia Mohammad Mansha, to officially open the event and share a few words to guide us with his vision for Omoda and Sheikhu.
मेरा घर फेयर है उसमें मदरा दे देते हैं आप
Our esteemed individuals who have graced us tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we are truly honored to welcome some very distinguished guests this evening. Representing the visionary leadership of Nishad Group, we have Mr.
चले मैम 1 मिनट हमें दे दें। मरियम दो ठीक हो गए कट करो